Sonia. I have a question for you. I have read that you don't believe you're going to heaven. Is that true?
Well, as you recall reading, when Jesus was dying, the person right next to him said, remember me when you go to your kingdom. And then Jesus said, you will be with me in paradise. And then there's our model prayer, Jesus' model prayer. And he says, let your kingdom come, let your will take place as in the heavens and also upon earth. So you see how there's people that are going to heaven and people are going to be on earth.
I'm confused then. What will those who go to heaven, what will they do there?
Well, I have a book here that might help us answer that question. And here, if you like, would you like to read some scriptures with me?
Sure.
Okay, here, Revelation 26. Would you like to read it?
Yes. Chapter 20, verse 6. Do you want me to read all of this?
Part B, please.
Okay, all right. Right here. They will be priests of God and of the Christ and will rule as kings with him for 1,000 years.
You notice rules as king? Okay, there's another scripture that we could read too, and that one's Revelation 5:10.
Okay, Revelation 5:10. And you made them to be a kingdom and priests to our God, and they are to rule as kings over the earth.
See, Rita, did you notice what both of those scriptures, what did they state?
Well, they both stated that they would rule as kings.
Yes, they will rule as kings upon earth. So now let's read 1 Corinthians 6:2. And that one, I'll read it to you. It says, or do you not know that the holy ones will judge the world? You notice how it says they will judge the world? Well, there's other scriptures that talk about the rulership and the authority.
Okay, I see.
And I have a book here that I'd love to share with you. It says, what does the Bible really teach? And on chapter 8, what is God's kingdom? On paragraph 8, it says, here is another truth about God's kingdom. Jesus will not rule alone. He will have co-rulers. For example, the Apostle Paul told Timothy, I will go on enduring with, and we shall also rule together as kings. Yes, Paul and Timothy and other faithful ones who have been selected by God will rule together with Jesus in the heavenly kingdom. It says, how many will have that privilege? If you like, we could discuss this break tomorrow.
Sure, I would like that. Thank you.
You can breathe now. It's quite good. Let me ask your